Chippy Chippy. He's gonna get peanut. Yup, that's so big for his mouth. There's one out there too. That's sunflower seeds. Chippy! Chippy Chippy! His mouth is full of sunflower seeds. Chippy! I'm here in Mercer, Wisconsin. It's pretty out here. He's not gonna stop. Oops. Look at the mouth full of seeds. Wow. I wonder where they put that one. Chippy! Chippy Chippy! He's gone. He's gone. Where's the other one? The lake out there.
The left eye broken doll face.
Don't mind, that's wild.
And the right eye broken doll face.
He's not back yet. I heard something. Where they are? Here. I came from the hole. How many he gonna get? Trying to put in his mouth. Oops. Oops. Doesn't fit. So just bring one. Oh, bye.